Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get back memories on your Snapchat, right? So first of all, we will go into the Snapchat mobile application and make sure that you have updated the app, right? And after that we will click on the profile icon which is on left top right. Okay, and after that we will click on the three dots which is here, add to my stories, and beside that you can see the three dots. We will click on this and make sure that this feature is on auto saving to memories. Okay, and after that we will click on the done. Okay, and we have to click on the gear icon which is on top right side corner, and after that we will have to go to the below a to the last, and after that we will click on my data, and after clicking on my data it will take few seconds to load, and here we have to enter the password. So let me just enter it. So after entering a password you will see this kind of a page, and here all your data is stored, right? So you can see, you can just read all the details. Here you will see an option of your memories, and after that we will have to confirm our email address. So let me just confirm my email address, and after that you have to select from which time you need. For example, I just want for just 7 days, or if I want for last 3 months of data. And after that we have to click on the submit request. So after clicking on the submit request, Snapchat will send you an email to your email address with your all data, and this is pretty easy guys, right? So if you found this video really useful, like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next